मित्रांनो, आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण आपल्या इयत्ता 10वीच्या टेक्स्टबुकमधील लेसन नंबर 2.6 वर्ड हेरिटेज या लेसनचे मार्जिन क्वेश्चन्स व इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप अभ्यासणार आहोत। त्यासाठी मित्रांनो हा व्हिडिओ शेवटपर्यंत नक्कीच बघा। मित्रांनो, तुम्ही आपल्या चॅनलवर नवीन असाल तर कृपया चॅनलला सबस्क्राइब करून घ्या, बाजूच्या बेल आयकॉनला क्लिक करा, त्यामुळे येणाऱ्या नवीन व्हिडिओचं नोटिफिकेशन तुम्हाला सगळ्यात आधी मिळून जाईल। मार्जिन क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हॉट सिग्निफिकंट ॲस्पेक्ट शूड अ वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साईट हॅव? जागतिक वारसेकडे कोणते महत्त्वाचे घटक आहेत? आन्सर, अ वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साईट इज अ साईट डिटरमाइंड बाय युनेस्को टू हॅव सिग्निफिकंट कल्चरल और नॅचरल इम्पॉर्टन्स टू ह्युमॅनिटी। 2, व्हॉट डू वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साईट्स इन्क्लूड? जागतिक वारसा वास्तूत कोणत्या गोष्टी समाविष्ट आहेत? आन्सर, वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट्स include forest, lakes, buildings, monuments and cities. Question number 3, why did UNESCO launch an international campaign in 1959? युनेस्कोने 1959 मध्ये आंतरराष्ट्रीय मोहीम का सुरू केली? आन्सर, UNESCO launched an international campaign in 1959 to protect the temples and monuments. Question number 4, why did a White House conference in the United States call for a World Heritage Trust? युनायटेड स्टेट्समधील व्हाईट हाऊस कॉन्फरन्सला जागतिक वारसा संस्था का म्हटले आहे? आन्सर, द व्हाईट हाऊस कॉन्फरन्स इन द युनायटेड स्टेट्स called for a World Heritage Trust to protect historic cultural sites as well as the world's significant natural and scenic sites. 5, what does the World Heritage Committee consist of? जागतिक वारसा समितीत कोणाचा समावेश करण्यात आलेला आहे? आन्सर, द वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज कमिटी consists of representatives from 21 state parties. 6, what is the World Heritage Committee responsible for? जागतिक वारसा समिती कशास जबाबदार आहे? आन्सर, it is responsible for identifying and nominating new sites within its territory to be considered for inclusion on the World Heritage List. 7, when was the convention concerning the protection of world cultural and natural heritage adopted and by whom? जागतिक सांस्कृतिक व नैसर्गिक वारसा कोणी व कोणाकडून घेतला होता? आन्सर, the convention concerning the protection of world cultural and natural heritage was adopted by UNESCO's General Conference on November 16, 1972. 8, who makes recommendation to the World Heritage Committee? जागतिक वारसा समितीला कोण शिफारसी करतो? आन्सर, 2 advisory bodies consisting of the International Council on Monuments and Sites and the World Conservation Union make recommendation to the World Heritage Committee. 9, what is the Peru's Machu Picchu an example of? पेरूचे माचू पिच्चू कशाचे उदाहरण आहे? आन्सर, it is an example of a mixed heritage site. English workshop question number 1, write the importance of the years given below with refer to World Heritage Sites. Year 1959, UNESCO launched an international campaign to protect temples and artifacts. Year 1965, White House Conference in United States called for a World Heritage Trust. Year 1968, International Union for Conservation of Nature presented its goals. Year 1972, adoption of the goals by UNESCO's General Conference. Year 2009, 890 World Heritage Sites located in 148 countries. Question number 2, name the following. A, the country where Mount Hunchang is situated, China. B, the famous dam in Egypt on River Nile, Aswan High Dam. C, the place where the conference based on human environment was held, Stockholm, Sweden. D. The country in which the highest number of World Heritage Sites are located, Italy. E. The body which can exclude a site from World Heritage list, the World Heritage Committee. Question number 3. Complete the following sentences. A. The World Heritage Sites includes places that are significant culturally and naturally, including forests, lakes, monuments, buildings, and cities. B. There were around 890 World Heritage Sites in the world. C. The role of World Heritage Committee is to establish which sites will be listed as UNESCO World Heritage Sites. D. The tenure of World Heritage Committee is 6 years. E. We can get more information about World Heritage Sites from its website whc.unesco.org. Question number 4. Complete the following way by giving reasons why World Heritage Sites are in danger. World Heritage Sites are in danger: war, acid rain, air pollution, heavy tourist traffic, urbanization, earthquakes, poaching, human encroachment. Question number 5. Answer in your own words. A. What are the duties towards preservation of any historical site? ऐतिहासिक वस्तूचे जतन कशा प्रकारे करता येईल? Answer. Historical sites can be painted, restored, or raised to a higher ground. They must be protected from acid rains, pollution, etc. and must be well maintained. B. Why should we preserve the World Heritage Sites? जागतिक वारसा असलेल्या वस्तूचे जतन का करावे? Answer. If the World Heritage Sites are damaged or destroyed, they will be lost forever. They must be preserved as proud relics of humanity all over the world and preserved for future generations. C. What is the role of World Heritage Sites in promoting tourism in any country? पर्यटनाला चालना देण्यासाठी जागतिक वारसा असलेल्या वस्तूची काय भूमिका आहे? Answer. The greater the number of World Heritage Sites in a country, greater will be the number of tourists attracted to them. Tourism industry flourishes due to World Heritage Sites and fetches revenue for the country. Question number 6. Read the following duties towards preservation of any historical site and make sentences about each of our duties. Obey rules and regulations. Visitors must obey the rules and regulations displayed at the entrance. Maintain discipline and order. We must maintain discipline and order. Maintain cleanliness. We must maintain cleanliness. Use dustbin and garbage bags. We must use dustbin and garbage bags. Observe silence. We must observe silence. Maintain environmental safety. We must maintain environmental safety. Protect our country's history or heritage. We must protect our country's history or heritage. Question number 7. Complete the following flow chart by choosing from the options given below to show how any site of any country can become a World Heritage Site. Answer. Take an inventory, tentative list, nomination file, review of the nominations file, recommendations to the World Heritage Committee. Question number 8. Match the pairs to define different roles of the World Heritage Sites. Answers. 1. B, 2. G, 3. H, 4. F, 5. I, 6. C, 7. E, 8. A, 9. D. Question number 9. Do you know the difference between world heritage and cultural heritage? Answer. The word heritage is related with the natural or man-made places that are recognized as having international importance, cultural values of the world and humanity in general. Whereas cultural heritage is related with a particular society or groups, its ideas, customs, beliefs, art and literature, etc., that have existed and inherited from past generations, maintained in the present, and preserved for the benefits of future generation. आय होप फ्रेंड्स हा व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला नक्कीच आवडला असेल. व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर व्हिडिओला लाईक करा, जास्तीत जास्त विद्यार्थ्यांपर्यंत या व्हिडिओला शेअर करा. चला तर मग मित्रांनो भेटूया पुढच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये. थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग फ्रेंड्स.